Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it's been a while. You're wondering why. It's just I've been caught up with a lot of things around me, but I am now back. So guys, we are moving. We are leaving our former place, coming to another place. I actually started this video at the new place, but we haven't moved in. We're just bringing in our stuff and cleaning up. But I'll also show you the former place where I've been staying. We are going to renovate, staying here for about 4 months, then we'll go back. But I just thought I should take you through this journey, just in case you're looking for a house around Kampala, 3 bedrooms. Yeah, this is a good neighborhood. And I'll show you around a few things that I'm doing until we settle in. This is the sitting room, but it has no dining, unfortunately. Maybe we shall see how to squeeze something there. But yes, that's it. See you guys. So now, as you enter the gate, there are 2 entrances, like the doors. There's that door on the side, and then there's another door on that side. But they all lead to the sitting room. That's the sitting room. Then you go straight to the kitchen. The kitchen is a bit small, but it's manageable. Then now that's the first bedroom down on the ground floor, and it has a wardrobe inside. You can keep your clothes there. Right after the sitting room, you have the kitchen, then that bedroom. Then now here outside the bedroom, there is a toilet and bathroom. Then of course now the stairs going up. Then there's that first bedroom on the first floor. It is like a flat, just 1 floor up. So that bedroom also has a toilet and bathroom in the bedroom. Then now the master bedroom. The master bedroom also has its own toilet and bathroom, and then it has a wardrobe. Well, the other bedroom that is up has no wardrobe, but the downer bedroom has a wardrobe. Then of course in the master bedroom we also have that balcony with a beautiful view. Yes, and so basically that's what I wanted to show you guys. Just a mini tour, house tour of our new place. Then there is also upstairs. That's the how do we call it? There is a rooftop. So I'm going to take you there in a minute. So let's go and see what's there. There's this car window, you can watch what is going on. Then also up, up. Yeah, the roads are a bit crampy, but we'll work on it. You see this space here. So these are the stairs downwards, and then here, this is the rooftop now. Whew, I'm tired. The rooftop, as you can see, the sun is setting. So this is basically it. This is how it looks. You get. Woohoo! This is the view from the rooftop. It's so nice. Yeah. And at this point, I will say bye bye. See you in my next one.